Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. This weekend I definitely prioritized fun, but now it's Sunday and I have a ton to do. Dishes, laundry, all of it. So we're gonna do a power hour. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting.
I want to enjoy the rest of my Sunday, but I have a ton to do, so I'm going to do a power hour to get in some concentrated housework. The first thing I'm going to do is put in a load of the boys' laundry so they have fresh clothes ready for daycare and camp.
Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you said.
Now I'm just going to give the living room area a quick tidy, nothing too serious. I'm just going to fix the pillows, fluff them, and get rid of anything that shouldn't be in here.
And I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
Moving on to the dining room area, I'm going to do the same thing, just moving everything off of the table that has accumulated over the weekend.
To work out the frustration, there's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough.
This ledge and I have a love-hate relationship. I love to put things on this ledge when I don't have anywhere else to put it, and I hate cleaning it off. So I'm just going to do that very quickly, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the kitchen.
Inside of your arms, maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it. It all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free.
The dishes are now done, and that load that I put in at the beginning of this video is done. So we're going to switch that over and then fold the swim laundry that was in the dryer.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me.
Back in the kitchen, I'm just going to put away the dishes that I took out of the dishwasher before I reloaded it.
Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from.
Now moving on to the floors, I'm just going to pick up the big pieces of popcorn. Thank you to my 3-year-old. And I'm just going to do a very quick vacuum. Nothing as thorough as I normally would. And I'm not going to vacuum the dining room area because Xavier is actually getting ready to get his hair cut over there. And I will vacuum after he's done.
Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something.
And we are all done. This is definitely proof that you don't need a lot of time to get a lot done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. It really helps my channel out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.